Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a classic typewriter effects to your text in a video on CapCut. So here you just need to import your video and then write your text. So I've already add two tags in here. Then to add the typewriter effects or animations, you can just click on the tags and go to animations. Here under the in category, you just need to find these typewriter animations. Click on that, and after that you can adjust the speed like this. This is how to make it faster, and this is swipe right to make it slow. Okay, like that, and apply this animation for both tags. Okay, I'm going to use the same line, and after that you can I'm going to just drag the second tags where the animations for the first tag end. So this is it, and it will go like this. Okay, I'm going to trim it, and to add the sound effect, you can just go to audio, click on effects, and type in typing sound. Okay, search for typing sound. So there will be lots of options. You can just choose which one that you think fits your text the best. I'm going to use the typing or on typewriter. Okay, click on the plus icon, and now it will go like this. Okay, you can just trim the sound effect to align with your text. Okay, so now you are done. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.